AI is no longer a tool, it's becoming a worker. From office desks to factory floors, artificial intelligence is creeping into jobs we once thought were safe. But which careers are on the chopping block first? Today, we break down the most vulnerable roles and why this shift is happening faster than you think. Why AI is coming for your job. Companies aren't trying to be cruel. They're trying to cut costs, scale faster, and reduce human error. AI works 24/7, doesn't need breaks, and never asks for a raise. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, over 85 million jobs could be displaced by machines. So, which ones go first? The first jobs AI will replace. 1. Customer service reps. Chatbots powered by GPT-like models are already answering phones, emails, and DMs. Cheaper, faster, and often more polite than a human. 2. Data entry clerks. Repetitive tasks like entering, sorting, and cross-checking data are a sweet spot for automation. 3. Telemarketers. AI voices can now sound eerily human and they don't get tired of rejection. 4. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout kiosks, Amazon Go stores, and facial recognition payment systems are replacing cashiers one scan at a time. 5. Fast food workers. Restaurants like McDonald's and White Castle are piloting robotic cooks and automated order systems. Yes, AI is flipping burgers now. 6. Junior copywriters and content creators. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are already being used to generate ad copy, product descriptions, and even news articles. 7. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can review legal documents and flag errors in seconds, a task that used to take hours or days. What this means for the future. Not all jobs will vanish, but many will transform. Roles that rely on creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and adaptability are still safer. For now. But here's the warning. If your job is based on repetition or routine, it's not if, it's when. Now is the time to upskill, reskill, or pivot. Because the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Want to stay ahead of the machines? Subscribe to Cyber Sentinel for weekly updates on AI, tech, and the future of work. And drop a comment. Is your job at risk, or is AI still far from replacing you?